Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm unboxing Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, guys. The tech savvy Donatello, guys. This guy's from the 90s, guys. This is from the movie. This is from Neca, guys. Have a look at the side of the box. There's a write up at the back, guys. So read that, pause it, and this is the other side of the box. The box has seen some better days, guys. As you can see, the flapping wings are on in this. I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm gonna unbox this and take it out and show you. We'll take it from there. So here he is, guys, out of the box. Box is in dusty condition and he looks pissed because of that. He's really pissed. And we have some twisty ties in the back, guys, the old standard days. Let me just cut this open and I'll show you everything in one shot, guys. A lot of accessories in this. Oof, guys, it's out and it's got some dust on it. So here you go, guys. This is Donatello. This is how he looks. A beautiful movie. And the accessories, what you see right now, comes with a few hands, a pizza, and his iconic stick. And I'm sure you know this is the radioactive material, but they don't have any green color on this, so it just looks too flat. But it's amazing to have in your display, guys. Hands are pretty cool, look in amazing quality, no problem whatsoever, guys. The pizza looks cute, quite a big bite, guys, and the stick's huge. Have a look at the stick size, almost as tall as him. It looks amazing, and he's like 19 inches tall, guys. That's really huge. His details are superb. This is the side. This is cloth, guys. There is a rubber on this, so yeah. And I can see some dirt on this. I don't know what it is. I'm not sure. And get it cleaned. Just give me a minute. And we needed some extra face, guys. Some extra face plates or something to change, because this is what we have got exactly. That's the figure. That's from the movie, guys, and beautiful figure, guys. So as you see his back, his shell. So here you go, guys. This is how you can fix his stick in this cloth. It's a cute looking tie there. The texture of the shell is brilliant. It's got those turtle grains. It looks pretty cool. The fit, finish, paint, superb. By the way, it's too stiff to move around. I found pretty hard to move. That's the side face. Looks so cool. Love his bandana. Only this patch is cloth. Rest is it's molded. His head doesn't go up so high. It sees down. I think he's got too stiff in the so beautiful figure, guys, and amazing to have in a display, guys. His eyes look killer. So this is the way the eyes look, and they look so real. Amazing. It's like an Hot Toys figure, guys. Beautiful sheen in the eye. The shine's beautiful. His face, his body is got the looks. If you get this figure, guys, I definitely recommend this. Yeah, it's an amazing figure to have. So as you can see, I have Leonardo from the anime series, guys, right up there. And now I have the Donatello from the movies, and I love this figure. Definitely recommend it, guys. So guys, if you like this video and the unboxing and Donatello the Rockstar, guys, and if you like to see some more unboxing of the high-end collectibles, please like, share and subscribe, and this is the best channel to do that, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, sayonara.